Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser for your OPPO Reno5 Z. So in order to do this, you'll need to open the Google Play Store. Here find Firefox browser and simply install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here, customize it, so pick a theme, choose a toolbar placement, switch always on privacy settings, sign up to synchronize Firefox between other devices, read the privacy notice, and finally click on start browsing. Here we can visit any website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.